The worship Pastor of the Year, Pastor Ann Lawrence, Pastor Eston Ita, Pastor Tim Mwangi, Pastor Flozi TK, Pastor James Kamande, Pastor Dennis Mushiri, and Pastor Patrick Mbarie.
Mse anasema hizo vitu wako wapi? Aseme Moji Shortbabaa. Hebu sema Moji Shortbabaa.
Moto sana, Moji Shortbabaa, moto wa kuotea mbali.
Safi, safi. Hebu sema cheza gospel.
Yeah man, cheza gospel.
Thank you so much. It's such an honor being here. Frank is a friend of mine and we have been together for a long time as friends, and this is a good job anafanya hapa. Ama jadi Gikuyu. Huyu ni wira mwega muno Frank weka na Ngai ni akurathime na aguteithie na uro abarario. And Mr. CEO Again, he's the CEO of a coffee. You know, a lot he said about CEO, but us being here in this particular room doing this event today, it is because of a great work he did at KFCD. So clap for Chairman. And I know we're praying for you that even at MCSK, you'll be able to do great things. You'll be able to create things, amazing things that will bring money, as Pastor Ann Lawrence insists there. And I know God is going to help you. Thank you, CEO, for the work you're doing, and may God bless you. I'll see you. Sitashuka nikusalimie.
Mtona napo kando.
Umefanya sana. Acha nikuwe different. So, and the winner of the worship pastor of the year goes to Pastor Dennis Mushiri.
Wapi shangwe vigelegele wewe.
Wow. Praise the name of the Lord. Bwana asifiwe.
Amen.
My name is Pastor Dennis, all the way from Kirinyaga County, serving under Reverend Chomba at the People's Church Kagumo. Honored and delighted in your midst. This is great. Mirori, this is awesome. I'm so encouraged and so psyched to continue. And this is an impact to the generation. And may Mirori live long. God bless you.
Amen. Amen.
Oh, picture. Anataka picha. Cameraman wako wapi?
Song of the Year, Emmanuel Rwalusi Nganga. Digiriginiru Rasami Kane Gaiki Hoti Rwa Kevin Maina Mogarori Joy Janet Nashiru JP Ihoya Shiko Alice Morago Edith Wairimo na Barayakwa Rwashukuria Nairobi.
Asante. Hao wote ni waimbaji wetu, tunawapenda, tuwapigie makofi mazuri na mazito. Na kwa sababu najua wote tunawapenda, na ni mmoja tu tutaibuka mshindi. Wacha tuwapigie makofi mazuri tena. Sasa hapa mwenye atatangaza mshindi ni Daktari Ezekiel Mutua. Wapi makofi ya Daktari Ezekiel Mutua wewe? Hebu kidogo, huyu ndio mkubwa wetu. Ningeomba tu tusimame kidogo, tumpe hiyo heshima. Ndio turehaga aimio ndio kwa mumenyaga no turehaga ndio hiyo sasa. Nile moina tore bomba kwa MCSK ni amwikiria kitu. Huyu ndio weka atia? Uturehaga. Ni tumuhurire hilo tupigie makofi. Asante sana.
Umechoka, najua mmekaa, mmengoja. Naitwa Ezekiel Mutua. I'm the CEO of the Music Corporate Society of Kenya, and I am so delighted to be here. This has been my home for a long time. We established this facility when I was the CEO of Kenya Film Classification Board, and I'm so glad to see that it is being used for the purpose we intended. When we came here first, it was dark and dusty, and truth be told, being a Christian, I felt that music was becoming a powerful force, but it was taking a lot of people to the wrong direction. Arts, media, entertainment in general is what our young people follow greatly. They look for inspiration. They look up to you guys. You are celebrities, and they love you, and they look up to you. And I think we look up to you. I can see most of the Miruri words, they are gospel. Actually, the Miruri Awards, I think it's premised on gospel music. And I must congratulate you guys, because when it looked like the music industry was going astray, the gospel musicians in this country gave it value and stood firm and gave the right direction, and I thank you for it. We don't have all to sing gospel. It will not be possible. And I'm not in charge of gospel music copyright society. I'm in charge of music copyright. So there will be secular singers. But my appeal to you guys tonight is that in whatever you do, you may realize that who much is given, much is expected. You are talented, you are amazing, you are powerful, you can inspire, but you can also destroy. I want to appeal to you that you will use your talent to glorify the name of God who has given you that talent, to uplift moral values, to build the values of our country, not to destroy them, to help our children to know that out of music, you can live a holy and righteous and responsible life and be responsible citizen and help in the building of the economy. At MCSK, I want to assure you, it is a new dawn. I promise that I'll make musicians millionaires. And I want to say the work that we're doing at Miruri Gospel Awards, we will support you. I was invited at a short notice and I said I must come because you're doing a good job. Next year, we will work with you. By God's grace, we will sponsor you, we will support you. And I want you to believe that in the coming years, you will not just be getting a plaque or a certificate. There will be money going to your pocket for the talent and the contribution to your music. Congratulations to all the winners. I want to thank all of you for inviting me. Thank you, sir. Thank you for reaching out to me. And I want to wish you a successful night. May Miruri Gospel Awards succeed. May you be assured of the support of Kenya, of the Music Copyright Society of Kenya, and you can know that you can count on me as we go forward. Thank you and God bless you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Please give us the name.
Well, and the winner, Song of the Year, goes to Murango by Edith Wairimo. Murango by Edith Wairimo.
Murango.
Oh, imeandikwa Murango.
Yeah. Sasa wacha nishikie hii. Wacha nikushikie hii upatie vizuri.
Judy Masila, Yuni Wamwaki, Lucy Nganga, Virginia Sadala, Nelly Wamami, Shiru Ann, and Joy Janet.
Tuwape makofi mazuri na mazito. Haya. Jefasi. Yeye ndiye atatupatia mshindi.
Bwana asifiwe.
Amen.
Tusemeni amen kama kuna Mungu. Bwana asifiwe.
Amen.
I'm so much humbled to be at this place. Frank and co-founder, big up yourself. Wasi wote tumefanya nao. My name is Jefferson, the Christian warrior, formerly of Truth FM and Biblia Usema Radio, but currently narana TV naitwa Morori TV, and I'm happy to see Miruri Gospel Award. So I'm here to present Miruri Female Artist of the Year, okay? So, and the winner goes to Yuni Wamwaki.
Safi kabisa, safi kabisa. Salimia watu.
Majina ni Yune Mwangi. Demo sokeria gatho ni tondu andu aria mahete force yao na family yakwa nĩ tondũ wa kũndehe. Rũgama family yakwa nĩgetha mũno mũthuri wakwa na twana twakwa na kũhe quotes ya Ngai amũrathime inyuothe na mwĩke wega. Thank you so much.
Sawa. Hapo utalipia.
This category, Digital Personality of the Year, and the winner of the Digital Personality of the Year, mimi si Mkikuyu lakini nitaisoma na hivyo, Baruthi wa Thayu.
Leke parodia tugeithie onoko tutina time atugeithie ndagika imwe githe tikuoi tumuhurire ikaruhe kega ni undu wa hotani wake. Karibu sana Baruthi.
Muriega ringi itagwo Baruthi wa Thayu ndiaragia muno no ko ndaruta wira wa radio thaa ici twi kuria YouTube niguo turaruta wira na muno makiria wira wa Ngai niguo tugire tuminja naguo turutaga wira wa charity kuria YouTube tikuga ni mwega muno. Congratulations na aria angi tura nominated nao, and thank you so much kuria rio the marani voteire. May God bless you so much. Thank
Amen. You. Amen. Thank you Baruthi.
And the male artist of the year, Shukuru ya Nairobi.
Teto, ate Shukuru.
Shukura ya Nairobi.
Twende.
Tunasonga.
Tusonge.
Shukura ya Nairobi. DMG. Giandongo. Julius Wakibosho. Kelvin Minor. Karaoke Karis. And Pius Pianist.
Asante, tuwapigie makofi mazuri, tuwape makofi mazuri. Agnes ndio atatangaza mshindi hapa.
Aya, Bwana asifiwe. Hivi kama unaniona. Wonderful. It's been a great evening na tuko karibu kumalizia. And I'm here to announce the male artist of the year. But before that, I'd like to thank the whole of Morori team. Mena awards irafataranagia muno makiria na hinyiriria at the process ya gukoro vote akana andu magikirio kura. It was very clean. I was a part of that process, so I know na nigenda ndio komesira mahida. And the male artist of the year goes to the one and only Julius. Julius, what the Congratulations. Want to say something?
Bwana asifiwe. Hallelujah. One is to thank the organizing team of Merori Awards and to all those who voted for me. God bless you all. Nawapenda sana. Thank you so much.